Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today we are making a Gabriella. This one was featured on the summer and spring cocktail menu at the John Dory Oyster Bar, as well as being in Regarding Cocktails by Sasha Petrusky. Real simple cocktail. It's just a Pisco Sour served over crushed, or a strawberry Pisco Sour served over crushed ice, and using lemon juice instead of lime. So I recently featured the Pisco Sour in my Sours 5 sour cocktail recipes, which I'll link to up here so you can go check it out. I think I've featured the Whiskey Sour, the April Sour, Midori, Pisco, and I'm missing one. You'll have to go and check out the video so you can find out what the other one is. But real simple, it actually just calls for a single strawberry. I made a special trip to the shops just so I can buy a punnet, so I can use this one single strawberry in this cocktail. So it's a hull, cut a strawberry in half, hull it so you get rid of the white centerpiece out of the strawberry, and add it in. And then 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, or you could use the lemon juice first, completely up to you. Just a little bit of liquid in there, just so you can give it a light muddle. And Pisco, so 60 ml, 2 ounces. This is Pucara Pisco. Thank you to the people who sent me this. So 60 ml, 2 ounce, straight in, and follow that with lemon juice. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. So the Gabriella was created by Ben Long, and it was named after Miss Universe from Peru. Another super simple cocktail out of this book. Highly recommend it. All the cocktail recipes are super simple. And give it a shake. And fine strain this into the glass. When you muddle strawberries, they can get really pulpy, so and it's simply topped up with crushed ice. Garnish with the other half of the strawberry. And of course, throw a straw in. And of course, don't forget a pinch of salt to finish it off. There you have a Gabriella, essentially a strawberry Pisco Sour. Cheers. Yeah, there's another winner. First thing, you get that strong flavor from the Pisco. Pisco is a grape spirit. So I mentioned in one of my other videos that Pisco can only be single distilled, and after it comes off the still, they can't add anything else to it. So they can't add extra dilution. So which means you get some more flavor from the original fermentation. That is only true for Peruvian Pisco, not Chilean Pisco. But you get some of those grape notes and a bit of that sort of funky raw spirit kind of flavor to it. I don't know if it sounds, it's a good flavor, it's a good thing. I don't know if I'm selling it, but I wouldn't say there's a strong strawberry flavor to it, but the strawberry does add that little bit of tartness, so you don't need to go heavy on the lemon juice. There's a very good variation on the Pisco Sour. I quite like this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.